Welcome to PTEClasses.com. Today, we're diving into the repeat sentence task. Here on PTEClasses platform, we've navigated to the repeat sentence section. In this task, you'll hear a sentence and must repeat it exactly as you hear it. Let's begin with our first attempt. Listen closely to the audio.
Your boss requires you to finish the report before Friday.
Your boss requires you to finish the report before Friday. Now, we are submitting the recording for AI analysis to see how we did. Looking at the results, we have some room for improvement. The AI feedback highlights that our fluency and pronunciation were impacted by hesitation or incorrect word emphasis. Don't worry, this is exactly why we practice. Let's try it again, focusing on speaking clearly and maintaining a natural flow.
The best time to visit Canada is during fall months.
The best time to visit Canada is during fall months. Our second attempt is now being processed by the system. Comparing the results, you can see a significant improvement. By focusing on a smoother, more natural delivery, we've achieved a higher score. The AI feedback on PTEClasses provides specific, actionable insights.